Nagpaapa ka.
Good morning, mere mortals. This I, Uranus, god of the skies. And I am also the first ruler of the universe. I am the son of Gaia, and soon she became my wife. She became my wife, of course, yes. Together, we produced many offspring. The 3 Cyclops, the 3 Hecatonchires, and the 12 Titans. I already forgot my script. Oh my gosh. I can say that I was a bad husband and a bad father as well. I hated the Hecatonchires with all my might. I just hated them. And so, I imprisoned them and pushed them to the hidden places of the earth. It is Gaia's womb. This angered my wife, and then she plotted against me. How cruel! It was not my fault that I hated the children she bore for me. And do you know what my wife Gaia did? She made the flint sickle and tried to get our children to attack me. All were afraid, of course. How could a child kill its own father? But I guess some can imagine that, because the youngest Titan, my son, Cronus, took up the challenge. And one night, Gaia and Cronus set up an ambush as I laid with Gaia at night. Cronus grabbed me and castrated me with a stone sickle, throwing my severe injured genitals into the ocean. They did not know if I died from the severe injury or if I withdrew from the earth. All they knew was that I was gone. I was gone.
Amen.
Oh my gosh, I forgot again my script. As I was God, I vowed revenge. I know someday justice will be served. Cronus and the other Titans will pay for what they have done. I know someday my death will be served with justice. And so, from my spilled blood came the Erinyes, the ash tree nymphs, and the giants. I am Uranus, god of the skies and the first ruler of the universe.